Look, I don't know if you heard. I just found out that prop firms are on your side. So if you think prop firms are rooting for you to win, just so you can split the profits, then I got another thing for you. In fact, most of their money doesn't even come from winning traders. Let's pull back the curtain and take a closer look. The real gold mine is the evaluation fee. You pay for the chance to prove yourself, and whether you pass or fail, the fee stays with them. Think about it. If thousands of traders sign up each month, they make a fortune before a single funded account is even created. And here's the kicker, most traders fail. The industry pass rate is often in the single digits. That means the vast majority never touch a funded account. Do you know that the average funded trader only maintains their account for 22 days? That's the average. The model is designed for the firms to win no matter what. So even when traders do get funded, payouts aren't instant, they're often capped. Some firms have hidden rules. Some firms require minimum trade days or maximum position requirements that quietly disqualify traders from payouts. The house always has an edge. Prop firms love this model because it's profitable. They don't rely solely on market conditions. They rely on trade behavior. As long as new traders keep chasing the dream, that money stays flowing. So yes, you can make money with prop firms, but they're going to make money off of you regardless, whether you win or lose. If you're serious about passing and maintaining your account, then treat it like a business, because for them, it already is. My name is Bruce Rain, and this is Trader's Ambition. Let's get it. Thank you.